His face! His face! Not coming out. There's no beauty in it. It is scarred into my heart and it is burned into my soul. Never will it leave from me until I die. Die? Will that quench the flames which consume me? Traitor! Not endless years in hell can even fade upon murdering the Son of God. And last night, he dealt with me so gently. He washed my feet. He bade me to put my hands into the cup with his. While in my purse, there jingled the coins which bought his blood. It was better for that man that he had never been born. Who? Who but I? Who but I? I who betrayed him? What'd you do?
Who is greedy? He knew and kept the same secret. Friend, for a talking man. Judas! Judas! You betrayed Son of God with a kiss? Friend! He called me his friend!
The
The
man
man
who
who
betrayed
betrayed
called
called
me
me
his
his
friend.
friend!
How the hell must have not laughed?
How hell I was laughed! Why didn't the mountains fall on me? Why didn't the earth cave and swallow me up? Why didn't the sea overwhelm me?
Friend?
Friend!
The world will know Judas as a friend.
The world will point to Judas as byword and as a place of broken faith. Did you think, Judas, you can hide from the father of your friend Jesus?
What hope for Judas? What hope for Judas? Not even in a hell can I escape where he would meet death. And devils cried out. The torment has not Jesus, Judas, faithful friend, devil. One of whom would have been better not to have been born. There's no hope for you. No hope.